The Portuguese bowline is a variant of the bowline with two loops that are adjustable in size at the end of the rope. You need to load both loops when using the bowline, else they can and will slip. First we show a video on how to tie the Portuguese bowline. Then we show you step by step how to tie the Portuguese bowline. To form the Portuguese bowline, you need to keep in mind that it has two loops. Therefore, you need to make sure you have enough rope to form the knot. Start by forming a loop. How far of the end of the rope you form this loop depends on the size of loops you want to form in your bowline. Next, we take the working end of the rope and feed it through the eye of the loop. At this point, you can also adjust the size of the loops. After creating the first loop, we are going to form another loop. That is by taking the working end and stick it through the eye of the loop for a second time. Adjust the loops so they are of equal size, although they will do so automatically when they are loaded. From this point on, you are basically tying a regular bowline. Take the working end and go underneath the standing part. Then continue by bringing the working end back through the loop you created first. Now we are going to set the knot. Hold the tip of the working end and pull on the standing part to tighten the bowline. And there's your finished Portuguese bowline. If this was a little too quick or not quite clear yet, we do have some step-by-step pictures coming up next. Alright, now we show you again how to tie the Portuguese bowline, but this time with clear step-by-step pictures. First, we form a loop. Make sure to do this far enough of the end of the rope so you do have enough rope to work with. Then take the working end of the rope and stick it through the eye of the loop. Repeat this process to form the second loop of the Portuguese bowline. Now take the working end and come out of the loop. Then we take the working end and go underneath the standing part of the rope. Next, take the working end and stick it through the loop again. This forms the basic Portuguese bowline. Next, set the knot by holding the working end and now start pulling on the standing part. That's it for the Portuguese bowline. Thanks for watching.